what's up everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff, where I make cooking very easy. Alright, today what we're going to be doing is a very simple recipe, very easy. It's poached shrimp. Alright, if you like shrimp, you will do your shrimp in this fashion. It is the most delicious way of shrimp. The shrimp cocktails, for a shrimp dish, anything, but this is the best thing to do shrimp. And the ingredients consist of baking soda, salt, Old Bay, and lemon juice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get this pot heated up to a boil, to a rolling boil, and then let me get a spoon and I'm going to start mixing in these ingredients. Alright. So, y'all guys, I'm going to give you a closer view of what I'm doing. So, y'all guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I got the water heating up. I'm going to add my baking soda. Alright, and what this baking soda is going to do to your shrimp, it's going to make it, I mean, the texture is going to be so delicious. You just have to try this recipe because it's so easy. The salt, Old Bay, and fresh lemon juice. Okay, what I'm going to do, just give it a good stir. All right, and let this come to a boil. I have my shrimp over there, ready to go. So, y'all guys, I gotta let this come to a boil, and stay tuned. Don't go away. All right, so what I got here, I got a bowl over here of ice water. Okay, and I got my shrimp ready to go. She's got a rolling boil. So we're gonna poach these shrimp now. Now, when you poach these shrimp, it takes, I don't know, a couple of seconds, give or take, 50 seconds, 60, a minute, give or take. All right, so as you notice, it stopped boiling because the shrimp are cold. I got my ice water here. All right. You see the color that they are now? I mean, what do you, I say, what, 30 seconds? Give or take. I want to bring it back to boil. But these shrimp are basically done. You see the color? They are very tender, very nice. But this is so simple. This is an easy recipe if you like shrimp. And shrimp cocktails or mixing it with any kind of meal that you want to mix your shrimp with. And it's going to pick up all the flavors of the lemon juice, the Old Bay, what else? The salt, and what else is in there? There's one other ingredient, and the bacon soda. Look at these shrimp, beautiful, 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 beautiful. And these are done. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I have, remove the pot off the stove. Bring this into view. And just get them into this ice water. Oh yeah. I can't wait to try one of these. All right, so let me get these into the ice water. And y'all guys do not go away. Stay tuned. So you can see how beautiful these shrimp came out, and they have a nice snap to them. A nice snap. Folks, this is very delicious shrimp. Try this recipe. It is very, very easy. All right, you can take the shrimp, you can put the shrimp into a shrimp salad, shrimp cocktail, or if you have the main dish, pasta and shrimp. All right, here it is. This is the best way to prepare shrimp, and it's that easy. Easy cooking made easy. All right, so if you like this recipe, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell, tell your friends and family at cookingwithchefpuff.com. All right, and I definitely see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful evening.